In this episode, professional field guides demonstrate a controlled river crossing using a rope belay, a pull team, and downriver search for entrapment hazards. They then set an Alpine bivouac on a windswept saddle, selecting compact materials, layering for heat, and building a debris shelter. Next, they improvise a weatherproof fire using a ferro rod and damp tinder, detailing windbreak placement and fuel hierarchy. A rapid check of clothing, water, and calories follows, with a viewer checklist to memorize before any expedition. The segment ends with a cold exposure drill, emphasizing packing, breathing, and decisive action.